How can I insert the table? There are two ways of inserting table within the Microsoft Word. One is go to insert and table option here, and you can select the rows and the columns, whatever you want. If you want two columns, this one. If you want three columns, keep going to the right hand side. And if you go to keep going to left, the down, it will keep increasing the number of rows. The second option is shortcut. The shortcut key to insert the table is Alt N T I. A window will pop up. It's showing me how many number of columns you want, number of rows you want. I just want one column and sorry, I want name, description, and amount. Three columns and the two rows. So press OK. Now you can see two rows with the three columns has been inserted.